Hello from the earth. Thanks for watching. Be in a good posture and smile. Sometimes when we face challenges like solving a problem, we might feel like we failed. But it's important to know that these challenges can actually help us learn and grow. Instead of seeing it as a failure, we should see it as an opportunity to learn and improve. Well, let's try to solve the problem step by step. For example, in this question, we consider a ball that is dropped from a height of 18 meters. After falling, it goes back up halfway before falling again. We want to know how far the ball has moved when it hits the ground for the third time. At first, this might seem difficult, but if we break it down into smaller steps and use our existing skills, it becomes easier. We can start by visualizing it. The ball is released from a height of 18 meters, then goes up to 9 meters, then falls again. This process repeats one more time. It goes up to half of the previous height, which is 4.5 meters. Then falls again and hits the ground for the third time, ending the question. To measure how many meters the ball has moved in total, we simply add them together. There are different ways to simplify a problem. You can use diagrams or break it down into smaller parts to analyze each part individually. You can also solve it step by step in a sequential manner. What method you prefer for solving problems? Comment the answer below. Subscribe for Mind Belong Inside.